Namaste ji, namaste. Welcome to Courtroom by TLOI. Today we have with us Divyansh Tripathi, rank 14 in NLSAT LLB 2026, and let us have a conversation like usual every year that we have with our students. हाँ जी, कैसा लग रहा है, क्या हुआ और कैसे क्या नहीं हुआ?
But sir, I am feeling quite relieved as of now. This was the whole preparation of 1.5 years. If you remember, I contacted you back in August 2024. That time
Achha.
I was in my second year, and the thing is that I gave CLAT in 2023.
The toughest edition of CLAT.
Yeah, perhaps. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to get very good score. Was getting mid-tier NLUs, and so I decided to come to North Campus, come to Ramjas, and pursue my graduation.
कौन से कोर्स में graduation?
Sir, I was in history honors.
History honors. अच्छा, ठीक है.
And so this NLSAT was there. I think it started in 2022.
22.
So this thought was there, and from my almost the end of my second year, I was quite fixated on this exam, that somehow I have to clear this exam. And there I got to know about TLOI, and I saw those topper interviews, and that really got me, this thing that I have to get enrolled in this coaching. So I think I got enrolled in around April. I think
April of 25
yes,
last
sir.
year.
Yes, sir. Last year.
अच्छा.
And I think we started our classes from
June, July.
है ना? June, I guess. So I'm currently in my third year. Exams are still going on.
अभी I think सुबह 12 बजे ही सेमेस्टर का एग्जाम देकर आए हैं.
Yes. I have quite a few more exams to give.
Yeah.
So
बैक
yes.
नहीं आना चाहिए.
Yes, back नहीं आएगी sir. So yesterday when the result came, it felt like the whole weight is no more on my shoulder. This whole prep.
CLAT 23 का पाप अब धुल गया है.
Yes.
है ना? Right.
So I'm quite excited, sir, to get into NLS. I was trying to get during my CLAT time, wasn't able to get. So now I think that dream is fulfilled to some extent.
Okay, now let's make this very useful for people who are watching. So presume that you're talking to your younger self, as I always say, and then basically guide them. तो पहला question आता है कि जी, Divyansh, how much time do you think that it takes to prepare for this exam?
Sir, I think it depends upon where do you stand in the competition. If you see the past year toppers, they were people who were working professionals or people who were UPSC aspirants. So they already have very good experience on reading comprehension and critical reasoning. They do have a very good command on language and grammar.
Yeah.
But if you talk about somebody like me who is in a college right now, I mean, I'm neither Tharoor nor Chidambaram, so I don't have that that sort of command on language.
Right.
And the practice I have is to write those DU exams. DU exams where you have to just fill pages mostly.
Perfect.
So yes. So my thought was that I have to enroll in a coaching. I mean, if I really have to enroll in a coaching, so why not a bit earlier?
Yeah.
So and the second thought was that I knew that during Feb or March I will be quite busy with my college internals. In December also we have exam. So exam goes for a whole month. So that's gonna take a lot of time. So I thought I'll be free from June to August. So in that time I accelerated my my prep. So I think it depends. For me, 1 year was essential. But if somebody has a good command on language, if they think that just by giving some few marks or just brushing up the topics, I think 5 to 6 months are more than.
Ideally 6 months to a year, depending on your prep. Depending on where you are coming from. But I'm extremely delighted. पिछले साल actually we got a couple of calls, a couple in the sense, n number of calls, basically numerous calls कि हम तो college में हैं, because everyone was seeing those interviews. So Ramsha was an English teacher already.
Yes.
Coming from, I think, her education in France. This was 25 wali rank 1. 24 rank 1, Meher was an NDTV, ex-NDTV, as far as I can recall, I can be incorrect, but she was a journalist, I believe. And that was a second attempt, basically. 22 rank 1, these are all batch students were, Ayushi was an extremely good scholarly sort of a girl from LSR with a lot of background in debating. तो पिछले साल जो कॉल आती थी कि अरे बाप रे हमारे से तो होएगा ही नहीं, ये कौन कौन से टाइप की, बस बाकी सबके इंटरव्यूज
Yes.
जब देखते थे that they were like ये तो they are older and accomplished. So I'm extremely happy this year that that we have just like a normal student, you know making it
Yes.
like a regular Joe, regular graduation, and basically preparing on his own, preparing in the sense कि मतलब with his own effort. और ये and especially this जनता, because you know it is a lot of grief when you are a very young soul, जैसे क्लैट नहीं निकला,
Yes.
and then मतलब वो एक दिल की एक ख्वाहिश सी एक
Yes.
रह जाती है.
Yes.
And CLAT 23 was like, I believe, मतलब we've resumed teaching for CLAT in reality this year. It was the toughest edition of CLAT.
I think-
मतलब the legal reasoning was through the roof.
Yes, sir. It was the most lengthiest paper as well.
Yeah.
I think it was the most absurd kind of GK they have ever asked
Yeah.
in the paper as well. And I think that was the last CLAT which was of 150 marks.
Right,
If I'm
right.
not
उसके बाद
wrong.
120. I believe,
Yeah.
I believe you're bang on point there. That paper was
So
it was another
I
level.
did prepare well, but somehow I fumbled on the day of the examination. I wasn't able to score.
तो अब पार्ट ए के बारे में जरा बताएं कि चलो let us now break out this paper.
Yes.
And before we start this discussion, Divyansh was one of the topmost students across all exams. I believe he came up to me and once and said कि क्या change करें part B में. I was like, it is working fine. Why do we want to change anything?
You don't want to fix things
Yeah.
which are not broken.
Needless advice and needless मतलब implementation, because your answers were मतलब they from the very beginning, ठीक है, थोड़ी सी refinement, थोड़ी सी, you know,
Yes.
you can always iron out the shirt and you can always become slightly better.
Yes.
And Prachi ma'am, I think, sat with
Yes.
you for the
For a couple
individualized
of
feedback.
times, I think,
Yeah, for
yeah.
the individualized feedback sessions, क्योंकि तुम्हें उससे ऊपर की जरूरत थी नहीं. Now let's talk about part A, current
So
affairs.
it's the party with current affairs.
Part A
So-
with current affairs.
So let's start with the reading comprehension and the
Yeah.
logical part.
Yeah.
So I think reading is must. One can start from newspapers or from books. Because I was in the English Debating Society, my course was history. So that warranted. So my course actually pressured me to read a lot. And from the very first year, I developed this habit of reading for the very sheer pleasure of reading. So for me, reading speed was not an issue. Even comprehension was not an issue.
Right.
But yes, certainly current affairs was an issue. But I think current affairs we were quite
We were-
prepared with the Hull files. I think Hull files are more than enough.
We were quite on point. 3 छूट गए थे, which I have taken a personal ego issue with those 3 कि ये कैसे
Sir,
निकल गए
I
चूहे
think this year's
radar के अंदर से.
current affairs were quite on a weird side because, but I think still I did message you that out of 28 I was able to solve 17 or 18.
हाँ, उतने तो हल्क निकाल देती है,
Yes, sir.
उतने तो हल्क
Those were
निकाल
from
देती
the and then this time I think they did ask current affair of similar of this UPSC prelim styles. There was 3 questions where those were not one-liners.
है. Yeah.
Those were you were given 4 options like the air quality index one.
Yeah.
One was on the Supreme Court and the pregnancy termination issue.
वो मैंने अपने solution के अंदर भी बोला था कि ये तो नहीं, ये कोई भी नहीं करके आया होगा.
So
That when we were discussing.
fortunately I got the right.
ठीक है जी.
And
Great.
somehow that ended up. I think I scored around 56.5.
We'll discuss your. We'll disclose your part. So part A, he scored a 56.5. That's a rank 32 all India in part A. And then total marks scored in part B were 45. So he got 101.5 and a rank 14 overall. That worked out great.
Worked out, sir, because part B was strange this year. I mean, the people I talked to, I talked to Prachi as well. So nobody had any clue, you know, what to think about part A. Because after I think a week, things started sinking in. Then we realized that okay, you know, 56 or 57 is not a bad score. Maybe last year's 62 is this year's 57, 56.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it was a tough part A. I solved it live on YouTube, and I could figure out कि मतलब अगर 55, if anyone scoring a 55 plus, we have Abhijit Hessa. He's ranked 22. His interview is going to follow up. He had a 60, and then there is Amitosh Singh, rank 11. Unfortunately, he won't be able to give the interview. These are all bad students. We did not sell the mock series outside of our batches this year. and to focus basically on the batch. नहीं तो वो mock series में बड़ा भीड़ आ जाती है and then the feedback, you know, they basically time बड़ा लग जाता है उसके अंदर. He also, Amitoz also had like a 58, 59ish overall. पहले I think उसने 61 बताए थे,
Yes.
but वो एक दो जो question जो drop हो गए
Yes.
या पता नहीं क्या क्या हुआ होगा. तो 55 plus you मतलब this, so we conclude part A is basically 55 plus, है ना, 55 plus, and you need to track out, I believe, pop culture current affairs alongside the national ones as well.
So I think this is the only exam where being chronically online on Twitter
Huh.
may end up fetching you some marks. I remember that MCQ on I think that BBC Voice of India.
Yeah. Mark
So
Tully.
I actually gave an presentation in my college.
हाँ.
It was a book on World War One.
और वहाँ
And
पे
that
होगा.
forward was written by Mark Tully.
Mark Tully. हाँ. Right.
So somehow that connected, and I was able to mark that right.
शुक्र है भगवान.
So you know that Arundhati Roy thing, and you know
अरुंधति रॉय का current affair तो दिव्यांश only predicted in class
yes.
at the Beijing Film Festival.
Yes.
किरण देसाई वाला तो पता ही था, ये तो
Yes.
आने ही आना है ना, मतलब ये तो आने ही आना है.
Rubel Nagy was also
रूबल नेगी वो जो था ग्लोबल टीचर, ये भी पता ही था कि मतलब मोस्ट लाइकली इज गोना पॉप अप. That's basically their pattern. Now what NLS is intentionally trying to do is basically they gave a passage also last year, not in this exam, कि coaching relies heavily on pattern recognition of exams.
yes.
If you think that you'll be able to predict तो हो गया काम. We just have to cover it like
Yes.
all year round.
Yes.
And if you want to have an insight on current affairs, there's the Observer series that we're doing these days for CLAT and AILT. You can see the depth of the current affairs basically from there as well. And वो हो गया था. अच्छा, फिर then we come back to critical reasoning part A में.
Sir, I think we started with the core concepts and foundational classes of premise and what is
Yeah.
assumption and what is themes and sentence
Yes.
themes. So that I think really laid the foundation.
Hmm.
Because I joined quite earlier, so
Yeah.
I was able to practice a lot of mocks. You gave us 10 mocks.
10 mocks,
As-
then
as
the
study
sectionals,
materials.
and then the sectionals,
Sectionals as well.
then the reading drills.
Yes, reading drills
reading
as
drill
well.
में तो
Yes.
मैंने we went berserk
Yeah. So
this year with reading drills.
And so I think, sir, more or less the practice was adequate.
Hmm.
And so logical reasoning is about understanding the course concept and then applying those things in mocks.
इस साल मॉक्स के अंदर अभी विल कम बैक टू यू मॉक 1 to 10 सॉरी मॉक 10 to 20 के अंदर वी दैट इज व्हाई बोल रहे थे यहाँ पे लोग कंप्लेंट भी रेज कर रहे थे कि अरे ये कौन से टाइप के क्वेश्चन है, तो एनएलएस पूछता ही नहीं. एंड देन इवेंचुअली फिर मिलते हैं स्टेटमेंट 1 2 3. The examiner is hell bent on breaking the pattern कि you won't be able to figure us out. That is what they're shouting from behind the question paper, I believe. कि करके दिखा.
Yes.
कि करके दिखाओ. So they are very against this की pattern नहीं आप figure out basically कर पाएंगे. But I believe that there is a subtle pattern to it.
It is.
Yeah.
There is a certain pattern to it
Yeah.
as well.
And then we go to part B.
See, part B, I think, is all about giving mocks and then getting feedback. Because I did practice a lot during till August, till September. I was done with more or less. I was done with part B. You gave us those 10 mocks.
Initial mocks.
Initial mocks, and I had this conversation with you as well. Before even the mock started. I was doing a lot of experiment with those study materials. I used to write an answer in favor of the in the case and then against.
Yeah.
And then
one counterpoint and then the
counterpoint.
conclusion.
Yes. The whole IRAC method, which is there. So, but still, I think it required a lot of refining.
Yeah.
And for that, we had the feedback mechanism. You were there. Prachi ma'am was there. So I think some personal feedback is very required. You need to figure out why you're not able to pinpoint the legal issue, and then you need to sort of develop this ability to first figure out the issue, then sort of create a mind map.
Yeah.
How will you start your answer? I think part B is getting more competitive in a way that a lot of people are joining the coachings.
Yeah.
In that sense, it is really required that you should have a flow in your answer and a structure in your answer.
ये जो flow और structure दिव्यांश के जो marks आए, I believe I can attribute the marks specifically to this flow and structure. क्योंकि जिसके नहीं आया, I have a part A में rank 5 and she was given like a 33, 34, I can't recall it right now, but मतलब इस साल के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. There must have been no structure or flow. मतलब
So this time the questions were straightforward, but the thing is, in two of these questions they asked us
advocate.
as an advocate, yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
फंसा देते.
but we did, practice in our mocks. So I was personally comfortable as well. Also, it's all about confidence as well. I messed up my CLAT because I lacked confidence in that paper. And this year I was confident. I was looking back at those leaderboards and I saw that from mock 11 to 20, I am scoring the highest in those mocks. So
Yeah.
if the competition is, these people, so I'm quite, I'm doing great. So I just have to, do well, give my 100% potential in the exam, and thus will leave rest to the God.
We practiced through 20 mocks. The first 10 were from previous years, and then 10 we created this year. And 10 पहले बोले हम देते हैं, अब like इस साल पहले हम 20 दे देंगे, तो you just write and write and write.
Yes.
And then just let things go wrong.
Yes.
And like you said very correctly, it's about the confidence. मैंने हमेशा देखा है, I've had stellar students not clear this exam because of overthinking in part B. It is pretty much a crystal clear solution.
Yes.
पूरी दुनिया बहुत कुछ लिखना चाहती है under the sun, but the examiner wants that specific key. Legally, whether this will be classified as a brown color or not,
Yes.
and perhaps the entire answer hinges upon this fact that whether you will classify this.
So the thing is, even in my initial mocks, even I was getting into this loop of of double thinking my arguments, whether these arguments are right or wrong. So I was writing a lot. I was
Right.
filling those pages. I was rethinking. I was doubting my own arguments. But I think the key is to write a simple answer, write a coherent, cogent answer, then move on. So I think people who were able to, because this year, sir, although party was not very lengthy, but the current affairs had a shock effect.
Yeah, understandable.
And that really, I think, messed up with a lot of people psychologically.
कि part B के अंदर की होगा तो डूब गया.
So people thought that they have to score, they have to put extra effort in part B, because they have already, not performed well in part A.
Right. बिल्कुल you've hit the hammer, the nail on the head.
When I ended up with those 5 questions, I had complete 30 minutes for the essay.
Right.
And when I looked around, I saw that people were still on their first or second question of legal answers. So I said to myself that you are on the right track.
Yeah.
Essays were a bit weird this time.
Yeah.
We were expecting on transgender bill, we were expecting on right to recall bill, or maybe Sabrimala case as well.
Yeah.
But I think one of the topics were on war and the justification.
International law wala.
Yes, that was, we practiced that topic quite well in our mocks as well.
ऐसे तो हमने 20-30 पढ़वा के भी भेजे थे. The structure and Prachi, I think, took a lot of classes. In fact, Prachi को पेपर देने इसलिए भेजा था, so that tomorrow, when they release the questions via the sample problems, they do not release part B, so that she's able to spot कि ये इस साल वाला है.
We were in the same hall. Sitting in the same hall.
Right.
So I think part B is more about doing mocks as much as you can, and getting your personalized feedback, and then working upon it.
Right.
You cannot be complacent that okay, I've scored 40 plus, or I'll pass the cutoff. You never know. It's the part B evaluation is always on a bell curve. It's always relative. So you never know. What kind of marks.
Subjective में ना देवांश होता क्या है कि दिव्यांश sorry होता क्या है कि like for example we teach for the judiciary exams and हम लोग क्या करते हैं जब वहाँ पे हाई कोर्ट में RTI लगा के आंसर स्क्रिप्ट वापस बुला देते हैं कि जरा दिखाइए जरा क्या क्या हुआ है. So answer scripts are publicly available post checking.
Yes.
And you can figure out कि what do they like, what do they not like.
Yes.
This is a very opaque sort of a process wherein you can't pretty much do this. So you are basically shooting arrows in the dark.
Yes.
However, legal reasoning, structure and flow से होता है काम.
Yes.
And as you have rightly mentioned, because see, this examination has matured. Now, when I took this exam in 22 was the first edition I went in and attempted the exam just to figure out कि मतलब क्या कराना है इस paper के अंदर. Now people have mostly figured out part B.
Yes.
I believe it is not exactly, very a closed book, a very secretive sort of a thing कि इसके अंदर क्या करें.
Yes.
And the competition in part B is basically through the roof.
Yes.
And part A में 55 plus पे mostly अब मेरे एक student है इस साल राजश्री अग्रवाल. He had a 55 point something, 55.7525. I really do not know अभी मेरा scorecard अभी I won't be able to look at it. His part B has not gotten assessed. he's basically an outside Karnataka male, so God only knows
Yes.
मतलब कि क्या है क्या नहीं है, मतलब we can't really comment. अभी तो उसको बोला है कि email डालो, because how are you not getting your part B assessed at like 56ish,
Yes.
right? तो बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं कि आप नहीं फिगर आउट कर सकते, बट subjective में there is a तरीका to writing, there is a तरीका to present, and even the essay, like for example the thesis, the structure, you know,
Yeah.
there is a तरीका to an academically
Yes.
written essay. But in part B, as I always advise, do not templatize the answer too much, क्योंकि वो लगता है अरे कोचिंग वाले से रट के
Yes.
एक specific format में लिखे जा रहा है. You just have to make it organic, and I believe that worked out pretty much in your favor as well. कि structure and flow basically.
Structure and flow was there. We did practice.
And confidence about कि भाई ये legal issue है.
Yes.
Point it out, argue for against it, and then write it. अगर advocate पूछा है, then
Yes.
argue on one side, your client's side. अगर judge की तरह decide, then फिर you have to give a decision.
Yes.
And to anyone, you know, self-preparing, you're open to give a decision. भाई दे दो, like Ramcha used to give back in the day was like an open-ended sort of a decision कि जी मैं तो इधर भी damages award करें, मेरे को लग रहा है ठीक है.
Yes.
I always told her कि भाई ठीक है ये ऐसा ही लिखो. An organic approach works more than a fixed calculative mathematical approach, I believe, है ना. तो essay, and then basically again it comes back to reading. Anything that you would like to add about the paper, अपने experience से, talk to someone who's perhaps self-preparing, and you know मतलब what to do, what not to do, or talk to a young student who you have to guide.
So I would recommend to develop the habit of reading for at least 2 or 3 hours in a single sitting. You really require a reading stamina,
Yeah.
because you know you will spend around 1 hour in part A, and then you have to switch back to part B. Now part B is a different. You have to read, figure out, then you have to formalize.
Mental fatigue हो जाती है.
Yes, there is mental fatigue, sir. So it does affect your performance in part B if you don't have the stamina to read. And sir, I think this paper is the best paper out there in the law entrance field.
Yeah.
You don't have to rote learn anything. I mean, the paper is quite simple. It is reading and writing.
Yes.
But the problem is those things are very complex. You know, to break down the complex arguments into simple and coherent manner, and then give a decision, then move on. You have to do this for six questions, 5 legal and then 1 essay. So I think reading stamina should be there. Handwriting should be there as well, sir. I think I was struggling with the handwriting part initially. Then I worked hard on that, and I was able to at least write a presentable essay and presentable answers. Because you really have to help your examiner.
Yeah.
Even if you have written a very good answer, and if your writing is very messier and it's creating problem, I think they will just give you average marks, and that may affect your score.
Another pattern that I've seen is people with not so good English, में UR में बात कर रहा हूँ, दिक्कत होती है पार्ट बी में अगर आपके कमांड नहीं है ना लैंग्वेज पे. और जैसे इन्होंने बताया हैंड राइटिंग की जो बात है, इट इज़ अ फैक्टर, इट इज़ अ बिग फैक्टर आई वुड से. और शुरुआत में जब हिज हैंड राइटिंग वाज नॉट गुड, देन वी हैड टोल्ड हिम कि अगर ये हैंड राइटिंग ठीक हो जाए तो बाकी सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
Yes.
बाकी सब ठीक हो जाएगा. और लास्ट में भी हम यही कर रहे थे कि पता था, मतलब मोस्टली कई स्टूडेंट्स का पता होता है कि देयर इज अ हाई चांस, वी कांट एवर से कि होना ही होना है. ये दीज आर नॉट दोस एग्जामिनेशंस, ऐसा नहीं है. सीटें कम है, अराउंड लाइक 40 odd सीट्स यू आर आउटसाइड ऑफ कर्नाटका. बाकी 120 में से बाकी अराउंड 80 odd आर गेट हिट बाय different sort of reservations and quotas. And there's a general trend, मुझे अभी YouTube पे कमेंट आया हुआ था कि every female is going through, and males का क्या होगा. well होता है, but क्या ही कहें और क्या ना कहें. but सीटों मतलब सीटें कम हैं. you have to be prepared. you have to be prepared. you can't take a chance with current affairs. पार्ट ए रीडिंग स्टैमिना चाहिए ही चाहिए, पार्ट बी आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस चाहिए ही चाहिए. और वेल जैसे इन्होंने 1 साल हमारे साथ यात्रा काटी, एंड वी आर वेरी प्राउड that it all worked out. ये कमला नगर में थे, but he was attending via the online mode, because रोज आना जाना basically was not, क्योंकि schedule of classes is like thrice a week here in the offline classroom, but the classes are the same basically, the online offline. क्योंकि तुम्हारे बैच के साथ तो I re-resumed teaching for the 3-year LLB again. We were busy with the judicial services exams. I believe we concluded on that note, or you want to add something else? You have any other thought you want to give out?
Well, I think sir, I'll give due credit to the Coach Academy as well. I'll give
नहीं,
due
but
credit to
thank
you
you.
and to Prachi
ये
ma'am
ये
as
ये
well.
ये scripted नहीं है.
No, not scripted at all. Because after giving the exam,
हाँ.
I wasn't sure. No one can be sure if
Yeah.
I'm really. I was quite unsure. I did ask you, what's your feedback and what is your take on the overall performance, and you said that keep your fingers crossed. And luckily, I think there are a lot of factors. Luck is one of the major factors as well. But I think you really need an institutional support, especially for current affairs, especially for Part B arguments and Part B. You really need someone who can pinpoint that these maybe you could better write this argument in this way. And I think Part B is becoming a game changer.
Yeah.
As NLSAT is happening. So I think, sir, I give whole credit to the faculty and members of TOI.
We also give credit back to the level of student, and this year one of our major victories is that not one student has felt कि हम कुछ और भी कर सकते थे, because we really went all out
Yes.
in the prep. इससे मतलब इस साल तो हमारे पास वैसे वाली कोई rank 1 type कुछ नहीं है, because it just despite putting in 100x the effort क्या बोलते हैं here, but होता क्या है कि when a college student, especially a college student, ये मेरे मतलब दिल की बात थी, और this is a major win कि nobody has it's like we could, I believe that all of us just did whatever the hell that we could.
Yes.
At the maximum capacity, the maximum our working capacity possible, and then we brought some of you home, and I'm incredibly happy with that. And on that note, क्या बोलते हैं, wishing you all the very best. We will post more interviews, whichever student basically becomes interested. And do take very good care of yourself. May God bless you. Hopefully this session has been of help to you. All the best with your NLSAT prep. May God bless you again. Bye.